Vishnu Chakravarti, in another place, he explains that Kushala means persons who are full of faith or very attached to and affectionate toward Krishna. Simply, they're simple and they're very spiritual advanced. In other words, Kushala is a faithful, affectionate person who is very attached to God or Krishna, like the Vraja-gopis. Therefore, when they say, Kurvanti hi twayi ratim kushla sa'atman, they're actually describing themselves. Because the first line of verse 33, the first pada, says, expert transcendentalists always direct their affection toward you because they recognize you as their true self. So the gopis are speaking what is called parokshavad. In the 11th canto of Bhagavatam, Krishna says he likes very much when he's indicated or glorified in an indirect way. So they're saying, oh, experts in transcendentalists, kushala. But kushala also means those those that are very attached to you, like us. So Vishnu says it's us, kushala. We're not experts in expert transcendentalists, which is one meaning of the word kushala. We're actually, as he defines, the other meaning is we're faithful, affectionate persons who are completely attached to you. Because there's twayi ratim. So the external or outward meaning, which is not the parokshavad, the external or outward meaning, what the gopis are saying, is kushala, expert transcendentalist, ratim, twayi ratim, they're very attached to you. But actually what they're saying is kushala, we who are very affectionate and full of faith in you, have rati for you. Twayi rati. What type of rati? We have parakiya bhav and madhura rati. And then they say, kushala swaatman. We are those spiritually advanced persons. We are your lovers. And so the first line they're saying, first let us identify who we are. Kurvanti hi twayi ratim kushala swaatman. So we are kushala, then he says, and we always focus our love on you, Krishna. So Swatma means we have rati for you, we are kushala, we are expert transcendentalists, we are affectionate and faithful, and our twayi ratim, our rati, our permanent loving mood, our sthayi rati is for you and conjugal love or amorous love, and you are our very self, Swatma. So then they say, so first they identify, this is who we are. And knowing, now you know who we are, all your instructions about telling us to go back to our husbands and families and relatives don't want to apply at all because we're totally liberated and transcendental. So first they were reminding Krishna through parokshavad by indicating expert transcendentalists always direct their affection, rati. Rati means affection. Rati means the permanent loving mood also. It means complete attachment. And Rati is also the name of the wife of Kandarpa or Kamadev. Because if you have lust, then what goes right along with it? Attachment. Lust means intense desire to possess something. Although generally the implication of the word kam or lust is the intense attachment for man and woman. But the word kam actually has a broader application and definition because kam means simply desire. Dharma, art, kam, moksha. So when we talk about performing dharma, that doesn't mean religion. It means following the rules and regulations of your ashram and your varna. So if you do that, then you're rewarded by Krishna. So the wife of Kamdev, the Lord and controller of desire, the instigator of desire, is rati. And rati is attachment. So when the gopis are saying, twayi ratim, our attachment, we are kushla, we are so expert and clever and faithful and attached, we realize that you are the only object of attachment, rati, and you are the only object of our lust, desire, because you are our very selves. And this word is why this verse 33, Swa-atman, is why the acharyas are calling this the Pranaya Gita, because the gopis are indicating that by the word Swa-atman. Because Swa-atman means you are me and I am you. So this pranaya means that when you breathe in, that's my breath you're breathing in. And when I breathe in, that's your breath I'm breathing in. So your inhalation and exhalation is one with mine. Your feelings are one with mine. So Vishwanath gives a nice insight. And I thought this brings up a broader kind of Aishvarya Vichar consideration of the philosophical import of this rasic verse about the exchanges of the Nayaka and Nayaka at the onset of the Rasa Lila. But because it's so important, especially in India, the families and family attachment. So a lot of the theme here of Krishna's teachings in the Rasa Lila is balancing family attachment with transcendental attachment. And because the gopis danced with Krishna every night and they met him for practically most of the day, but they went home. And they went back to their ashram, and they went back to their varna and to their ashram, and they did their duty. Because if they were just in love and on Rag Marg, they would just go home and fall asleep and wake up and put on no makeup and no bath and no earrings because my lover likes me however I am. I don't need to wear the Mangala Sutra and the earrings and the ankle bells and the pile and the kinkini and the nupura and all the and I don't need to use tilak. I don't need to put sindoor in the middle, my part of my hair. I don't need to keep my hair in a bani because I'm not married to Krishna. I can just go out like a rainbow girl to meet Krishna. You know, rainbow girl?